These rules make Calc 1 easy.
Rule number 1, power rule. If you have a variable x of something else to this certain power, you would just get nx and minus 1. You would just take a number out of the exponent, put it in front of the x, and subtract 1. This is your power rule. Rule number 2, sum difference rule. If you have a certain u and v, and there is a sum or difference, it just results into u derivative plus minus v derivative. That's it. The rule number 3 is product rule. If you have u multiplied by v, it results into u derivative v plus uv derivative. Rule number 4, quotient rule. If you have u over v, it just simply turns into a fraction where in denominator you got a v squared, in numerator it's vu derivative minus uv derivative. And rule number 5 is chain rule. If you got a certain function u of v, the result is going to be the derivative of that function and derivative of whatever was inside of that function. And almost forgot about this one. The derivative of a constant is going to be 0 all the time. Alright, here's an example for power rule. We have 4x cubed. So we have to take that 3, put it in front of 4, which turns to 3 multiplied by 4x, and we got exponent 3 minus 1, and your result is going to be 12x squared. Sum difference rule. We have 4x plus 9x to the power of 4, which turns into 4x derivative plus 9x to the power of 4 derivative, and our result is just 4 since the derivative of x to the first power is going to be x to the power of 0, which turns into just 1, so this is 4 plus 36x cubed. Here's the example of the product rule. We have x multiplied by sine x. So we just refer to this identity over here and we write it down this way. We have the derivative of x multiplied by just a sine x plus just as x multiplied by the derivative of sine x, which turns into sine x because the derivative of x is just 1 plus x cosine x because the derivative of sine x is cosine x. Now we got quotient rule example. We have 2x squared over 3. We have to write it down in fraction. We got 3 squared in denominator because v squared, right? Our 3 is v. And then we got 2x squared as a u, therefore we write it down vu derivative, which is 3 2x squared derivative minus 2x squared 3 derivative, which turns into 0 because the derivative of a constant is 0 always. And it gives us 3 multiplied by 4x over 9, which is 12 over 9x, and our final simplified answer is 4 over 3x. And here's the chain rule example. We have sine x cubed. We have to take a derivative of this. So it's just simply 3x squared is going to be the derivative of the inner function, and cosine x cubed, we just take the derivative of the function itself. And here's the bonus for you. Solve this problem and let me know the answer in the comments.